Good morning, Miss Griffin's class. Today we are learning SIPPS Lesson 7B. This is not a review lesson, this is a new lesson. So if your student is unfamiliar or is struggling, that's okay, it's to be expected. We are still learning this. It's supposed to be hard. The more we practice, the easier it will get. The first time we read our story, Can You See Me? I'm going to read it first and I want you to echo. When we read it later in the lesson, you're going to be reading it by yourself. Make sure to go on Flipgrid and record yourself reading so I can see how you're doing and give you feedback. We are going to read. Remember, sometimes our sentences start with can. Some of our sentences start with you. Look at the end to see what the punctuation is. Is it a question mark? Is it a period? Are we asking a question or saying a statement? So let's read. Can you see me? Read. You see me. Read. Can you see the tree? Read. Can you see me? Read. You see the rock. Read. You can see me. Read. Can you see the car? Read. Can you see me? Read. You can see me. Read. Good job reading. We're going to move on to blending and segmenting our words. Remember with blending, I'm going to give you the onset and rhyme. I want you to put them together into a word. An. 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 It. 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 Now we are going to break apart our words. Remember, we're doing our onset and rhyme. So I will give you the big word. You're going to tell me onset and rhyme. Nap. Tell. Sit. Sat. Neck. Tail. Good job. So we are going to review our sounds. Remember, we learned a new sound in lesson 6. We are going to say it 3 times. What sound? What sound? What sound? Your student should have said t, 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 as in tick, tock, clock. Tick. This is our review sound. What sound? What sound? What sound? Your student should have said s, 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 as in hissing snake. S. Ready? What sound? What sound? What sound? Your student should have said as in nose noise. Let's look at our sight words. We have a new one that we are learning this week. This word is we. W-E, we. We read it we. We spell W-E. We read it we. We are going to the park. We. Let's try it by yourself. Read. Spell. Read. We. W-E. We. Another word that we are practicing. You should know this. Read. Spell. Read. C. S-E-E. C. Read. Spell. Read. The. T-H-E. The. This one we are still practicing. We learned this in lesson 6. And. A-N-D. And. I have a paper and pencil. And. Read. Spell. Read. And. A-N-D. And. Read. Spell. Read. I, capital I, I. Read. Spell. Read. You, Y-O-U, you. This is one we are still learning. Me, M-E, me. She gave it to me. Me. Let's read. Spell. Read. Me, M-E, me. Last word. Read. Spell. Read. Can, C-A-N, can. We are going to read our story one more time. This time you are reading it to me. Let's get started. Read. 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 That is our story for SIPPS Lesson 7B. Keep practicing. Make sure you go on Flipgrid and read it to me so I can see how you're doing. This was our SIPPS lesson that we are ending our school year on. You still have stories 8, 9, and 10 in your booklet that I gave you. If you want to practice those over summer, get a little head start on next year, that would be wonderful. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. I'll see you next year. Bye, Miss Griffin's class.